The product and process innovation tool. What is it? Plot two lines, the rate of process innovation and the rate of product innovation. Where these two lines intersect is where you finally reach positive cash. First prototype will be very slow and cumbersome. It takes ages to make something for the very first time. You haven't made it before. And then you become more and more efficient. You ask yourself, where or how can I apply innovation to reach the intersection point faster? An example might be a surfboard. The very first surfboard is made from a block of foam, and the surfboard shaper looks at it and they take a long time to make one surfboard. That surfboard is tested, it comes back, it's modified, and then it's set. Then they make a jig for it and they make 100 of those. So the first product innovation, a lot of that going on with any process innovation, takes forever to make. When they start making 1, 2, 50, 100, it gets faster and faster and faster. So process innovation goes up and product innovation goes down. The problem we all face is that we often seek perfection. What is really good enough? Many organisations won't allow the product to go to market until it's perfect. What is perfect? When you start to go back to our positioning maps and understanding our customers, we give them the first version and a life cycle, 1. If you want to improve it, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So I urge you, get that product out there, get it into the marketplace, get the process fired up and start making more than you spend. We've started to talk about product and process innovation. So what is innovation? Ideas to market is one element of it, but really I come back to 3 major words that describe innovation. Is it achievable? Is it measurable? And is it repeatable? In other words, can you do it again and again and again? Process innovation is the way we do things, and the product innovation is the thing that we actually produce. So how do we start to develop strategies to reduce the time of product innovation? How do we take the time out of developing something that the customer wants? One way to really think about the design, reducing the manufacturing costs, reducing material content. Or you can enhance the ease of manufacture through technology. You could simplify the logistics of getting parts or products to the factory or to the customer. You can develop products that enhance product quality, feature deliverability, or lower the switching costs between one and the new. Develop product design so that the product does exactly what customers want, no more, no less. No unnecessary features. Comes back to a fundamental of competitiveness. Manage expectations every time because you've got to keep doing it again and again and again. Achievable, measurable, repeatable. Strategies to reduce the time of process innovation. Being busy, doing lots of things. Research ways to reduce material usage. Also how to reduce labour input. We have words for this now and methods that go back many years. Lean, agile. To me, it really means being smarter, least effort, maximum results. What about processes to support greater scheduling or faster response times to increase buyer value? Ask yourself, is all this extra effort, seeking perfection, is there a return for that effort? Is there a return on that investment? I would say, why don't we go to a new life cycle position, jump and embrace something new? The point of product and process innovation is very similar to the learning curve. Reduce the time, take a high position. So what? Where are you positioned on the tool? What can you do to make the intersection point closer to your starting point? How can you reduce the time it takes to reach the intersection point? The sooner you do that, the sooner you will make a profit. Now it's your turn. Draw a product and process innovation chart and determine where you are currently positioned. Think about, do you have product innovation strategies you can use now? Do you have any process innovation strategies you should implement? Try to come up with more product innovation strategies. Try it now. You need to get to profit. Next, we'll look at your organisation and how to tune it up. We need to ensure it is heading in the same direction at the same pace. Minimum effort, maximum results.